Hi, I'm Rainey with Finance Strategists. In this lesson, we're going to cover
Accounts Payable, or AP, is an accounting ledger showing how much is owed to vendors or suppliers for goods and services received that have not yet been paid for. AP can also represent the accounts payable department at a company. Accounts payable is generally recorded as a collection of invoices received from vendors, with each invoice having different credit terms specific to the vendor. An accounts payable entry for one organization is an accounts receivable entry for another. Accounts payable exists because vendors allow invoices to be paid later as a convenience to the company. This allows companies to better manage their cash flow. Some vendors offer an incentive for paying invoices early, such as 2% over 10 net 30 terms. 2% over 10 net 30 means that the customer will receive a 2% discount if they pay the invoice within 10 days. Otherwise, the invoice is due within 30 days of receiving the invoice. Under the accrual method of accounting, an invoice is recorded as a credit under the accounts payable ledger as soon as the invoice is received. When the invoice is actually paid out, the corresponding amount from AP will be debited and the cash account will be credited. Accounts payables can be an important metric to analyze in a company's financial statements because it can be an indicator of companies buying more goods and services on credit rather than with cash. Management can use accounts payable to manage cash flow, but if an invoice goes without being paid for too long, it can damage the relationship with the vendor. The accounts payable figure can vary across industries. For example, the manufacturing industry tends to have high amounts of accounts payable and take the longest to get paid. That's why it's important to compare the accounts payable for firms in the same industry when performing due diligence on a company's financial records. Let's hear from you. Would you offer a discount to customers as an incentive for paying an invoice early? Why or why not? Leave your answer in the comments below.
For more information, visit www.financestrategists.com. Finance Strategists, strategies for your future.